Hello friends, I am Dhanya. In this video, we are going to discuss about the syllabus of management studies in UGC NET exam. We know there are a lot of things in management studies to study, and all these things are divided into 10 different modules for the purpose of examination. The first module is management studies. Here 3 different subjects are included: management studies, economics, communication, and even ethics is also included in this module. When going through this module, we need to study all these 4 subjects, out of which the theories of management studies like the administrative theory, scientific principle, Max Weber's theory, all these theories are very important. There are certain theories in ethics part also, which is also very important. When going through communication, we need to study different types of communication, barriers to communication and all that. These are the things to be covered while studying the first module. Then coming to second module is all about organizational behavior. Here also there are certain theories of organizational behavior, like our motivational theories are there, theories of leadership is there, group formation, group dynamics, and different things to be covered under organizational behavior part. Then going to third module is about human resource management. Here we have to cover different topics of human resource management. There are different things like career planning, career development, what is career, work-life balance, etc. These all things are very important part of human resource management. Then going to fourth and fifth module. Both of these modules are from financial management part. Here accounting is also included in the fourth module. Okay. This is the reason financial management is a very important topic for UGC NET exam, because 2 modules consist of financial management only. Now, what are the important things of financial management? We need to study everything like what is capital budgeting, what is capital structure, theories of capital structure, leverages, different types of leverages, again cost of capital, all the formulas related to cost of capital. Certain problems can also arise from cost of capital. Accounting part also consists of certain numerical problems. Okay. Now we have to study the dividend decision theories. These all things are very important part of financial management. Then going to sixth module is all about strategic management and marketing. In strategic management part, we have to study the external environmental analysis, internal environmental analysis like pestle analysis, and all these things are very important. Along with that, we need to study the different matrices, BCG matrix, INSOF matrix, GE matrix, etc. These are a very important part of strategic management. Along with that, we need to study our strategy formulation, strategy implementation, McKinsey's 7S framework. All these are very important part of strategic management. When coming to marketing side, we need to study how pricing theories are made, how pricing is done, how branding is done, what is promotion mix, what is different marketing mix. All these things come under our marketing part of 6th module. Okay, next is our 7th module. 7th module is about consumer and industrial buying behavior. Here we need to study about the branding theories, what is brand equity, what is brand loyalty, brand equity models, and all these things come under our 7th module, which is a very important part of UGC NET exam. Then our 9th module, it is about statistics. In statistics part also, we have to study measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, probability, different types of probability distribution, our binomial distribution, Poisson distribution. All these things are very important. Along with that, we have to go for different types of tests like chi-square test, t-test, f-test, z-test. These all things are very important part when we are studying for UGC NET exam. Then let's come to our 9th module. 9th module is international business. In international business, we have to study international trade theories, what is balance of payment, we need to study about World Trade Organization, World Bank, IMF, their functions, aims, what are their duties. All these things come under our international business part. Along with that, we have to study about the different unions that are formed, like European Union, SAFTA, NAFTA, ASEAN, and all these things. Then we going for our last module, the 10th one, which is Entrepreneurship Development. In entrepreneurship development, we have got so many theories of entrepreneurship development, like our theory, psychological theories, need achievement theory, Victor Vroom's theory. There are so many theories, almost 20-25 theories of entrepreneurship development. Along with that, we have to study about women entrepreneurship, rural entrepreneurship, and different institutional support that we provide for different entrepreneurs. And all these things come under entrepreneurial development part. Again, sickness of industries is a very important topic. What all things we can do to avoid this sickness is also very important. These are the important parts of entrepreneurial development. So we have discussed all of our 10 modules and the most important parts of all these 10 modules. Again, I am saying all these modules are equally important for UGC NET exam. We need to first understand the whole syllabus, then consistently prepare for all these topics so that we can achieve our goal. We'll meet again. Thank you.